Okay, I'm going to show you how to access the Google Sheets gradebook. You could go ahead and type in www.google.com. Once you sign in, you'll see your little waffle or square matrix. Go ahead and click it. You should see Sheets. If you do not see Sheets, you could search for Sheets. And it should say Google Sheets, create and edit spreadsheets. You can go ahead and click it right there. Then go to Google Sheets and access the gradebook that way. If you have Google Sheets, when you click the matrix, you could click it from there. Start a new spreadsheet, you'll see Gradebook. If you do not see Gradebook, you could click right here on Template Gallery. Look for the heading Education. Sometimes you may have to scroll down and click Gradebook. And one thing, you want to make sure that it's general, just in case you're logged in to your SBC USD account. So not here, but right here, general. You'll click Gradebook. The first tab right here will be Overview. So if you want to set your percentages, okay, click Grades. Here you will enter in student names. Okay. And so on. You could go ahead and delete the assignments if you'd like. And the grades. That way you could start fresh, okay? And let's just remove student 3, okay? Click right here, add in your assignment. Vocabulary quiz, how much the quiz was worth, 20. Okay, right here in class average, that will populate itself after you start entering the grades. So let's say Jasmine got a 19, and Tina, she didn't do that well. She got an 8. Okay, and there it'll populate the grade for you. So benchmark 1. It's worth 50 points. Jasmine, she always does well, it seems. She got a 48. Whereas Tina, she needs a little more work. Maybe she got a 35. Okay. And there it sets, already populates the class average for you and the grade and the percentage the student gets. If you click down here on individual report, you'll see for if you click this arrow right here for Jasmine, it'll give you a nice little graph of how she's doing, what she got on the assignments, and so on. So it's pretty neat. It's free, which is great. So Overview is where the grades are. It even has nice little graphs for you. Grades is where you enter your students, your assignments, what the assignments are worth. And then individual report, you could go ahead and click on this little arrow. It gives you a drop-down menu, and it has what that student got on all the assignments you have assigned with a nice little graph on the bottom.